Welcome! Glad to see you're here. Let's go on a quick little tour of Multi-Lation. With this tool, you can easily compare various languages at the same time. You can even play back most languages to hear how words are pronounced. And yes, it even has a dark mode and light mode. Personally, I always go with dark mode for the same reason that I don't like to stare directly into the sun. Hope you can find some use for this. All made in just a few minutes with MiniMax Agent. No coding experience needed, since I sure as hell don't know anything about coding. Try it out if you want. You'll be amazed at what it can do. Here are some last few examples of it in action. Oh yeah, almost forgot. To make it easy to copy the text, there's a handy copy text button for every translation box, so you can easily copy and paste. I thought of everything. Or so I think. Anyways, hope you can find use for it.